Hi, JDL Brushes here, and we have a new video. This time we're working on a fashion sketch, a portrait sketch, and yeah. Uh, I actually did a few of these sketches, and they don't actually take that long, at least when it comes to the rendering phase, which I'm doing now. And I've done a few of these, and I've noticed that I am kind of struggling with the style that I'm trying to find out. And I think I am in that phase where I'm basically doing a lot of experimentation, right? And I mean, I've taken a few lessons, at least from my past sketches when it comes to the architectural, landscape, interior design stuff. I still kept the shadow kind of or the separation of the colors and the shadows. And I did like how the sketches before had this kind of dark contrast. And I did that, especially with the, or I applied that here, especially with the initial sketch. And yeah, I added some kind of dark brushstrokes, and it does look a bit almost like a comic in a way. At least adding those dark bits does make the piece more graphical. And as you can see, I was struggling with how to make the sketch more interesting, and I don't know, rendering it this way adds a little more energy to the sketch. And I'm going for the minimalist look when it comes to these fashion sketches, and maybe not just fashion stuff, maybe for architectural stuff as well, because I will be doing them again. But yeah, I'm working on some fashion stuff now, and the markers are looking kind of good. And I did have to lower or decrease the size of the image, and right now I'm working on a 1280 by 1280 pixel canvas, and in this way it makes the marker brushstrokes look more fitting for the actual image. And yeah, so now I'm also going back to my old style, I guess, where I put in some white lines, replicating the kind of a white ink whenever you're doing actual manual sketches, or white gouache stuff, right? And it does make the sketch, pop out more and makes it look very presentable. And it looks cool, so yeah. And I think I also added some non-white stuff, and basically adding some hair strands where it would be interesting. So yeah. And again, I'm not being so bold with the colors. I'm trying to keep it safe, and so it's almost analogous in nature, where the colors are quite similar. And yeah, and I think I'm pretty close to finishing right now. Excuse me. There you go. So use the marker brush pack for this piece as per usual, and yeah, whichever your art, whatever your tool, make it beautiful. Bye.